Hi, welcome back again to this channel. If you're here for the first time, you're welcome to check all our other videos, and don't forget to subscribe and like, and check out our videos. So this video will be very quick, and this video will be about the rust under the vehicles. You see, most vehicles have rust under them, and it's because, especially for people who live in states that have snow. They usually pour all this brine or salt on the road, and that really messes up uh, under your vehicle. So after some time, a lot of rust develops under the vehicle, and if you don't do something about it, you'll end up spending a lot of money. So always check under your vehicle, especially your brake lines and everything, all metal under your vehicle, and make sure you take care of that. Uh, I'll show you something you can use. This is something called Rust-Oleum. Rust-Oleum, you can see it. It's called Rust Reformer. It says instantly converts rust to a protected printable surface. And you can see it says here Oxidizer Reformista. So that's Spanish right there. Here it says instantly converts rust to a protected printable surface. So, and I'm telling you, this really works. It's not too expensive, and you can find it easily. You can find it online, or you can find it at your local store. For those in the U.S., you can find it at Walmart. You can still find it at AutoZone and those other stores. So this is what it does. You see, we're gonna use this part here as an example, and you see all the rust there. Those are the shocks under the vehicle. You see all the rust. So that's one of the places you need to be very careful. So make sure you always shake it. You can read the instructions. It comes with instructions in the container in the back. You can see the instructions. Shake it until you hear that ball. That ball is just there to mix it up inside, to mix all the chemicals inside. So make sure you shake it. Read the instructions. So I'll show you what it does right here. Let's do it. Let's do it. See what it does. Look. See? It's instant. See that? See the difference? As you can see, it's black inside. So it kills all the rust instantly. See that? This is something you're supposed to buy and go under your vehicle and spray any place you see the rust under your vehicle. Like you can see, we came here. We did some parts down here. There's a lot of rust in the. Also, it depends also on the age of the vehicle too. So depending on how old your vehicle is, it will determine how much you need. You know, like you can see, we've been spraying a lot on this one here. It's kind of dark here, you know. It's under the vehicle, but you see, if you spray like rust like that over there, see that? It changes fast, instant, and you're protecting your vehicle. So go under your vehicle, check your vehicle, check your brake lines, especially the brake lines. Let's see some brake lines here. Like you come here, check all the lines. See all the rust down here. Yeah, follow them. See, we've been spraying all this today here. Spraying all these lines. See, spraying. See rust like this. You know, come here and spray all this. Let me show you. You see it? See, we've been spraying a lot on this vehicle today. We still have some time, some more work to do, but we start with the major parts. Start with the major parts, the moving parts that can break easily. You can come later on and spray the body, which is not as more important as the moving parts, and take care of that. Make sure you do that, and you'll see a big difference under your vehicle. Let me know if you have any questions in this video or any comment, and try Rust-Oleum. It works. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Let me know what you think. Okay, have a good day. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, bye.